What's up, YouTube? This is Crypto Timmy coming at you with another one, with another banger. What's going on, guys? You are now tuned into the Crypto Timmy Show, and I'm your host, Crypto Timmy. And for this episode, I am going to be talking about Hoppy, guys. I'm going to be telling you guys the truth of the situation about how right now it's almost as good as it gets. This episode, as far as an entry point is concerned, this episode is going to be, not only am I going to talk about people that have already been holding Hoppy, but this episode is geared towards somebody who might be coming upon Hoppy for the first time, just learning about Hoppy for the first time, maybe just throwing Hoppy in the search bar and coming upon this episode, seeing Hoppy for the first time. And I am here to tell you that right now at a $110 million market cap, this is going to be about as good as it gets, guys. I am actually shocked that Hoppy is still hovering around a $100 million market cap, guys. The market is doing absolutely great. All of the things that we wanted, guys. I believe that this is the perfect storm we are gearing up for the best bull run that crypto has ever seen. This is going to be an epic bull run. Many millionaires will be made. People will be making six figures, of course. People will be making multiple seven figures. And I'm very excited to be on this ride with you guys. But yeah, all of the right things are happening. We got Trump in office. We all knew that Trump was the bullish candidate, and so we got that accomplished. The Fed, okay, let's talk about the Federal Reserve actually cut the interest rates. I failed to mention that in yesterday's episode. The Fed cut the interest rates another 25 basis points, guys. And what does that mean? That means when the interest rates get cut, investors go from risk-off investments to risk-on investments, and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all of the cryptos fall into the category of risk-on assets. So as the interest rates go down, investors gain confidence in risk-on assets, and so they have been in recent times buying a lot of crypto, a lot of Bitcoin. It starts off with Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin skyrockets, and then the liquidity flows out of Bitcoin down into the smaller, it goes into the large cap altcoins, and then it trickles down into the low cap altcoins. And of course, the meme coins fall into this category. Guys, I talked about yesterday, or a couple of episodes ago, we have the Bitcoin ETFs on the table at this point in time, guys. Companies such as BlackRock, institutions such as BlackRock, Fidelity, Invesco, ARK21 shares, Van Eck, major money is going into Bitcoin, has been flowing into Bitcoin. We're talking billions of dollars, guys. And so when things do take off, they are going to take off in a massive way. Right now, guys, Bitcoin is currently trading at $76,341. It's hovering around, guys, this is basically an all-time high. I mean, the true all-time high a couple of days ago, maybe, Bitcoin hit, I want to say, it was touching 77. It went above 77K. But right now we're just hovering. We're not going down. We're hovering. And I feel like Bitcoin is primed for a very big move. The volume is usually low on the weekend, so I'm not necessarily expecting a big jump this weekend. But we could very well see on Monday, this upcoming week, things could really take off, and we could see some big moves. So let's talk about Hoppy. So right now, Hoppy is currently trading at 0.000262. It is at a $110.1 million market cap. And like I said, I'm shocked. I'm very surprised that Hoppy is still around $100 million in market cap. I would have thought, and it was pumping, it surpassed 130K. It was touching 140K. It was touching 140 million. It surpassed $130 million in market cap, and it went as high. It was touching $140 million in market cap. And I believe that we are going going to look back and people that hadn't gotten in on Hoppy around this point in time are going to be saying, wow, I wish I would have gotten Hoppy when it was around that $100 million market cap, when it was around that $110 million market cap, guys. In the near future, I see Hoppy in the hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap, okay? You know, Hoppy is, in my humble opinion, I believe that Hoppy is one of the best risk to reward ratios that you could get in on at this point in time. We all know as the market caps go lower, the risk becomes higher. And of course, the reward also becomes higher. But Hoppy is like at that sweet spot, I want to say. It is above a $100 million market cap, and it has exchange listings, guys. We have roughly 24 exchanges at this point in time. So it has the exchange listings. It was audited by CertiK. We all know that. And I like to make the correlation between CertiK and Binance. Binance Labs invested into CertiK. They're one of the main investors. And so I do see a correlation. I wouldn't be at all surprised if Hoppy got listed on Binance at some point in time. But guys, if we could just see like a Kraken listing, a KuCoin, Uphold, Crypto.com, that's going to make a huge, huge difference because so many more people will be able to buy Hoppy. And I just think it's going to skyrocket. It's going to take off. It's going to go parabolic. And so for the people that have been holding Hoppy, myself included, I got in. My heaviest entry on Hoppy was around a $20 million market cap. And I was putting out episodes. I was putting out alerts. I did my one most popular episode that I put out was... It was when Hoppy was around like a 20, or it might have been like a $22 million market cap. It was when I was buying heavy. And I put out an episode, and I titled the episode Hoppy, like buying Pepe at a 20 or let's say $22 million market cap. And I was buying heavy, guys. And if you followed my trades, you would be up over a 5x. I'm up about a 5.5x right now on Hoppy. But that's not to say, you know, a lot of times people will throw down in the comment section, Timmy, am I too late to Hoppy? Am I too late to Hoppy? And my answer to that has always been, no, you are not too late to Hoppy, and not financial advice. I got to mention it at some point in time during my episodes. This is not financial advice, guys. Don't take anything that I say on my channel as financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. I'm telling you what I am doing with my investments. So, you know, you do your own research, do your own due diligence, invest at your own risk. But people will say, Timmy, am I too late to Hoppy? And my answer is always no. But guys, as things take off, you know, I was telling you, you know, I wouldn't be at all surprised if Bitcoin was trading at $80,000 per Bitcoin, possibly by the end of this month. And we don't know where it's going to be at the end of Q4. And so eventually, when Hoppy is at hundreds of millions of dollars, and even at that point in time, I'm not going to say it's too late at that point, but at that point, that's when the potential multipliers, the potential X's that you will get off of by investing into Hoppy will go down. Right now, currently, guys, if Hoppy just goes to a $1 billion market cap, and I wholeheartedly believe that Hoppy is going to go to a $1 billion market cap, guys, that would be around a 10x. If it goes to a $2 billion, that's like 18x, close to a 20x. If it goes to $5 billion, that's a 45x. So we're talking, this is still a 50x potential play, guys. The people that are watching this episode that have not gotten in on Hoppy, that are considering that maybe getting in at this time, I believe you would be making a great decision. I think that we are still dealing with a 10x minimum in my humble opinion. You know, it might not happen. That 10x might not come to fruition by the end of Q4, by the end of this year. But for certainly, you know, when the real parabolic run takes off in 2025, I see Hoppy at a $1 billion market cap, you know, minimum, absolute minimum, bare minimum. I think we're looking at a 10x, but it could go to a 5 billion. That's a 45x. And in a perfect case scenario, I could see Hoppy going to above a $5 billion market cap. So guys, take all that into consideration. If you're a new investor considering getting in on Hoppy, no, you are not too late. And if you already hold Hoppy in your portfolio, I salute you, because I'm assuming you are up, anywhere from, there's people that even got in, before, that $20 million market cap. And I'm so happy for all those people. I'm so happy for all you guys. But we are at a pivotal point in time right now in crypto. I keep saying, things are going to start getting really, really good. I wouldn't be surprised if next, when the week starts, next week, Monday, Tuesday, if Bitcoin just continues to skyrocket and continues into price discovery. I believe this is the perfect storm, guys. We are dealing with a historic bull run. My life is going to be changed by this. I believe that wholeheartedly, and I know a lot of you guys, your lives will be changed forever by this. And again, I'm so excited to be on this journey with you guys. I love you guys very much. And that's all I have on today's Hoppy episode. If you guys enjoy my content, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can see when I have content coming out. It's going to be coming out all the time for you guys. And guys, this is Crypto Timmy signing out. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.